As you know, water stains, water spots, water residue is pretty hard to get off of a sink. It sticks. Well, I've tried something. I've treated this sink with Rain-X, and it makes it a lot easier to clean the water spots off. Now I'm going to try to get an angle here so that the water spots will show. See that? See those water spots there? Along there? Okay. Here's what happens when you take tissue paper and wipe that. It goes. Now that cleans up real nice. I'll do this again on the bottom here maybe. Now, here's a good shot. Here's some more water spots. I'm going to wipe them off with the tissue paper. You have to wipe pretty hard to get them off. I think you can see some little streaks left there. Well, that will come off. Now, when you're going to have company, you can have a really nice, clean sink pretty easily. And what this is you just treat your porcelain sinks with Rain-X, just like you follow the directions on the bottle, just like it says, you know, to treat your car windows. I'm assuming that it makes some kind of a slick finish between the environment and the glass, and it makes everything just kind of slide off. Now, you know, it makes the water slide off. Let me show you here. See how the water is just flowing down, just like it does on your windshield. Okay, well, that's that. Goodbye.